Um, would you be open to sharing like a screen share of inside the course, just a quick rundown, so that people that are like, what are you actually selling? That's his main question.
Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, yeah, let me see. Yeah, so this is my curriculum. The first module is just like I kind of I copied you, Chester. I said you got to start with why and how to execute and a little bit of overview. Because guess what? If you're missing that key foundational step, you're not going to achieve the success that you want. And then I give them a little bit of clinical foundations. Basically, I teach them how to do what I do by understanding core topographies, lenses, candidates, orthokeratology, advanced orthokeratology, optic zones, things like that. I go over how to train staff, and then I go over some, my consultation and some marketing. And so that's my course basically. I'm trying to teach people to do something called orthokeratology.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Orthokeratology is basically a special lens that people use to reshape their cornea. And so I teach them how to do that. And things I've learned over the course of my career, mostly, honestly, it wasn't even recently. It's things that most of what I've learned in the first just 2 or 3 years of my career. And so it's not as if you need to be doing it for like 20 years to be able to teach a course. I could have taught this course 5 years ago, just with what I learned by taking other people's courses, teaching the exact same thing. And so, but just spreading the word out there. And so, anyways, it doesn't have to be all your original content. You don't need to be a genius. And that's my course.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you for sharing that. Because I think it could really help people to actually see like what is this actually? Sometimes they don't understand like what is an online course, and just being able to see it. Maybe you're also going to get some customers from this interview coming along your way.